Hey, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer cheesy garlic crescent rolls. These are so good, and they take about 8 minutes of air fryer time. For the ingredients, you'll need crescent rolls dough, melted butter, Italian seasoning, chopped garlic, and mozzarella cheese. Start by brushing some cooking oil onto the air fryer basket, and then go ahead and preheat the air fryer to 325 degrees and set the timer for 8 minutes. To a small bowl, go ahead and mix together the melted butter, Italian seasoning, and chopped garlic. Unroll the crescent dough and add a pinch of cheese to each roll. And then roll them up. I like to pinch each side so that the cheese stays inside. Next, you're going to take the garlic butter mixture and brush that on top. Next, add the rolls to the air fryer and then air fry for 8 minutes or until golden brown. Be sure to check on them halfway through. Once they are done, go ahead and brush them with some additional butter. Let them cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.